LaFerrari here, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. There it goes. This thing is a current flagship of Ferrari, and it's got a combined output of 963 horsepower. 800 horsepower from the 6.3 liter V12 alone. You've also got an additional 163 horsepower coming from the gears, the kinetic energy recovery system. It adds extra power at low torque RPMs, whereas at high RPMs, the internal combustion engine takes over. Right?
You don't need to go fast. Well, drink before we leave the house, and then I go.
Still can't believe I saw two LaFerraris today. That black one literally just passed by this one.